So my name's Sarah Bent. I'm a clinical scientist here at Wrexham Isle Hospital working with the audiology department. I do a mixture of clinical work and also research and development. My clinical practice is around adults with dementia and adults with learning disabilities, supporting them with assessment of hearing and rehabilitation. And from a research perspective, I've been fortunate enough to get a fellowship, which means I can do a day a week for 3 years, looking at the hearing experience of people living with dementia. And in audiology, we've found over the years that we've moved away from focusing on the stats and the quantitative side of research, because here on a clinical basis, we can do small scale projects, but in terms of the sort of the larger work that needs to be done, the RCTs and what have you, often they're better placed with big research teams and different sorts of funding. However, the real gap from us, from a clinical side, is about understanding what patients' needs, understanding what their experiences are, and that side of things. So we've very much moved towards focusing on qualitative research. And one of the things that we've found is that we're very much in need of spaces to then sit with patients and do that side of work. So, you know, we need physical access to rooms, seminar rooms, rooms that we can run focus groups, and also clinical spaces that aren't being used on a daily basis for busy clinics with all the noise that's going on. So to be able to do interviews and that side of things as well. So it's really fantastic that this North Wales Clinical Research Centre's come along, because here we've got, alongside the beautiful labs that have been set up, we've also got a fantastic seminar room which has got a full video conferencing suite and loop system set up, so we can run patient focus groups there, as well as any meetings, getting patients in to co-produce on research and advise on research as well. But also we've got some clinical suites here as well. So we've got consultation rooms that are quiet, like this one here, where we can bring people in, we can do interviews, but also we can do other clinical type research there as well. So as well as the labs, there's a fantastic broad base here at the Myla site that means that we can do a range of that sort of research. And really it's what we've been needing for years from a clinical perspective. And we're just fantastic, just very, very appreciative that it's in place now, and we can start to explore how it can be used and where we can go from there.